Good morning. Got a couple new birds from Mike from Rocky Ridge Kennels. I was looking at these for a while. These are pure Trentons. So I messaged them. They just came in the mail today. So let's see if I can get a view of these guys. Of course, on the right is the cockbird, and on the left is the hen. So I didn't get a chance to do the unboxing video, but I just wanted to get them out. They were shipped, this is the second day in the box. So not bad, but beautiful birds. Mike's always got some great looking birds. And I think he has some currently available for sale. So if you guys are interested, look them up, Rocky Ridge Kennel Loft. I've got those two there. Then this satinette hen over here, somebody's supposed to be coming to pick up. I have a few more cockbirds available with satinettes. Feed station, I just gave them some feed. And my young birds. But really just wanted to show the birds here that I got from Mike.